happening here is when I rotate this guy, this is the axis of rotation pointing along the center of the wheel right here, okay? So the axis is always perpendicular to the rotation, okay? When you lift it up like this and you feel torque in the wheel pulling you, that's right? What's happening is you're trying to change the axis of rotation, and because of this, it wants to oppose this. It wants to transfer its momentum somewhere else, and it can't do that, so it's going to try to change its direction, and you're going to have to apply more force to stop it. Okay, so that's the force you feel. Because it's working.
It would go that.
Actually, yeah.
Alright, but the second we move, look in that direction.
You can ask anything
That's specific.
I've been stalking you. Alright.
The beauty of having that screen, huh?
Oh, I love
Which exhibit is this?
I wouldn't be able to do this anymore. Yeah, we can make them jump. But then when you get into the resonance, you get places where there's high pressure of the gas and low pressure of the gas. And where there's high pressure, more comes out. When there's low pressure, nothing comes out, right? So if you count them, that's 3 humps in the middle. So you go to the next one. There's 4, right? So as you go up in frequency, you get more. There's 5, right? 8, right? Wow. I guess we could get them up, down, up, down, up, down. I please have a couple volunteers to see if they're stronger than me. I trust you, that's not a very hard job. Still,
having a difficult time. Do you think a paintball ball could actually go through a pop can like this?
No.
I heard a no. Are there any other non-believers? More non-believers. Heresy. Oh, you want to throw? Go ahead, throw it at me. Thank you. Here we go for the count of 5. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fire! Oh, that sounded horrific.
One of the best things that I liked about open house today was the enthusiasm that all the kids showed, and it was just great working with them and listening to them ask questions, give answers to our questions. It was a good experience.
I think it was really great just to see all of the kids just having fun. Just everyone was having a good time and getting the feel for the sciences.
I would say the highlight was probably the air cannon, actually. Watching them shoot a ping pong ball through the aluminum cans was pretty cool, especially seeing the aluminum cans afterward. They were just completely destroyed. But physics is a lot of fun. It's cool. They have the best toys, really. They get to do all kinds of fun stuff, and it's just fun learning about, you know, stuff that goes on around you, and then you'll go out in the real world and you're just like, oh my gosh, I know how that works. So I think physics is definitely something I would be interested in if I was a scientist. And I mean, I'm in physics, so I know the stuff behind it, but to actually like see it is pretty cool and pretty fun.
Well, one thing that I learned was that our department has a really cool solar telescope, and the image that you can see from the solar telescope is really good, and we had a pretty good turnout for the solar telescope, and it was great to see the interest amongst people to look at objects which are out of this world, literally.